your local weather with the KX News Storm Team.
Well, it has been a record-setting day in North Dakota. Not one, not two, but three rain records have been set today, and it's still raining. Let me get you caught up. The storm is beginning to push out. It is heading up into Canada, the center of the storm, but precipitation is still likely across the area. And let me show you something. This was at Harvey at 12 noon. That's how much rain, and it looked already pretty soggy at noon, but look at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Rick Jensen from KH&D Radio sent us those pictures. And while I'm thinking about it, Bruce over at KZZJ Radio and Rugby, they had like 1.7 inches of rain. So a lot of rain. Tomorrow is going to be cloudy, windy, and cool, like all day long, but we have a much nicer weekend ahead of us. Still have the winter weather advisory and winter storm warning 5 to 9 inches, and it looks like it happened because in Bowman County there were 5.5 inches of snow in parts of Bowman County. Some rain in snow in western North Dakota as well. We saw the KX Cam in Williston, the snow on the ground. Still have the wind advisory for about another 47 minutes or so. Looking at our KX Cam network, and here's just 4 of the cameras, and you really can't tell unless you look really closely. It's still snow on the ground there in Williston, but it's already getting chilly in Dickinson and Williston, where it's in the mid-30s. So we have that northwest wind on the back side of that storm as it's heading up into Canada. One of the warmer temperatures right now appears to be in Medina, but there have been some records. In Dickinson, Bismarck, and Minot all set daily records. Most rain ever had on this day. 1.57 for Dickinson, 1.38 Bismarck, 1.45 in Minot, and there were a huge list of rain totals. I just want to show you some of those, but I will show you the radar estimated rainfall, and you can see this green up here, and the green starts at 1 inch. So nearly everybody got at least an inch of rain. And if you look at the legend, some areas got even more than that. So quite the storm. And there it is. And now at 6 o'clock, there wasn't this much snow showing up on the radar in northwest North Dakota, but now that it's getting colder, look at that, some more snow. So it's still possible to get a little more snow tonight, but for a lot of us, the rain is winding down. Still looks like some heavier rain to go through the Minot area here in a little while, but some areas starting to dry out some. So at midnight, still going to have a chance of rain, still have a chance of maybe a little bit of snow, and then tomorrow morning, northern counties have that chance, and then throughout the day we'll continue with at least a chance of wraparound showers north of about Highway 2 is what it looks like, and then by 8 o'clock still could be a few sprinkles here or there. So as we take a look at the next 72 hours for Dickinson, still going to be pretty blustery tomorrow, just not as blustery as today, but the temperatures are going to start going back up, and then could be in the 60s in Williston by Saturday, so that will be nice, but it is going to be a cold night. There's going to be some nighttime lows in the 20s, and otherwise mostly 30s, and then for tomorrow we're going to be in the 40s and a couple of 50s here or there. So as we take a look at the Bismarck 7-day outlook, we have these cool temperatures continuing, but the weekend it starts warming up nicely, and we'll be in the 60s for a good part of next week. And Brooke, I mean, this is certainly a rainstorm. We really needed the rain. The information will be showing up on the drought monitor that's not released tomorrow, but next week. So we won't see that change for tomorrow. But look at this. The weekend, it might be a little breezy, but I think the weekend's going to be pretty decent.
All right, Tom, I'm looking ahead to the weekend. Looking forward to that. Thanks so much.